okay. No, the guys were here when they initially started. It was their work ethic and their professionalism right from the get-go was, next to nothing. We're really impressed with the product. I talked to Mark and says that it's next to nothing. It's unbelievable. It definitely did cover the ugly back.
There we go. Excellent. Would you recommend this to a friend?
Absolutely. Actually, I already did. I talked to my office manager today in Yorkton, and she's looking at maybe having a patio done. She's I can't recall her address, but yeah, I'll give her your information and definitely,
Awesome.
yeah. No,
Awesome.
totally impressed.
Hey,
Thanks,
we're
guys.
Sierra Stone here from Yorkton, signing off.